Hello, today we are going to do question 7 of A Levels Math 9709 variant 32. We are working on May-June 2024 paper. In this question, we are given cos to the power of 4 theta minus sine to the power of 4 theta, and we have to prove that this is equals to cos 2 theta. So if we rewrite it, it could be written as sine square theta whole square and cos square theta whole square. We are going to use the algebraic identity, which is the difference of square. So a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. So a is cos square theta and b is sine square theta. So cos square theta squared minus sine square theta squared equals to cos square theta minus sine square theta into sine cos square theta plus sine square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So we can rewrite our equation as cos square theta minus sine square theta whole multiplied by 1. Now we know that cos square theta minus sine square theta equals to cos 2 theta, and which is equals to left hand side, which is proved. Moving to part B, we are given with the definite integral with limit from minus pi by 8 to plus pi by 8, and we have cos to the power of 4 theta minus sine to the power of 4 theta plus sine square theta cos square theta. You can notice we have been asked hints. So what we can do, we can use the answer of our previous part and straight away write cos 2 theta instead of it. So our integral would become pi by 8 to negative pi by 8 to pi by 8 cos 2 theta plus. We can write 4 as 2 squared and sine theta and cos theta in a single squared. And we know that this is sine 2 theta. So instead of 2 sine theta cos theta, I can write sine 2 theta. So our integral would become limit from negative pi by 8 to plus pi by 8 cos 2 theta plus sine squared 2 theta d theta. Now we know that now we are going to use the double identity for to we are going to use cos theta double identity. So we know that cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So this is so this theta is half of this theta. So we can say that if this is 2 theta, then this should be 4 theta. So cos 4 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta. Now if we make sine square 2 theta as a subject, it would become 1 minus cos 4 theta whole divided by 2. So our integral would become integral from pi by 8 to plus pi by 8 cos 2 theta plus 1 by 2 minus cos 4 theta by 2 whole d theta. Now let us integrate it. So integral of cos 2 theta is sine 2 theta divided by the derivative of 2 theta, which is 2. So it would become sine 2 theta by 2 plus 1 over 2 theta minus cos 4 theta integral is sin 4 theta divided by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So this is our answer. No? And the limit is from minus pi by 8 to plus pi by 8. Let us put the values. So it would become 1 over 2 whole multiplied by sine pi by 4 minus sine minus pi by 4 plus 1 over 2 into pi by 8 minus pi by 8 minus 1 by 8 into sine pi by 2 minus sine minus pi by 2. So it would become under root 2 by 2 plus pi by 8 minus 2 by 8. So our final answer is under root 2 by 2 plus pi by 8 minus 1 over 4.